Hello to my viewers. This is my part 2 in complex fraction. This maths is intended for grade 8. I have 1 plus a minus b over a plus b all over by y minus x over 1 minus 1 over x plus y. Okay, so I need to resolve this one. So 1 minus 1 over x plus y. Since I don't have a denominator for 1, so I will put 1. That will serve my denominator. And then I need to find my LCD. To find my LCD in here, just multiply 1 times x plus y. So this will be x plus y. Okay? And then I have now my LCD. LCD divided by the first denominator, which is 1. So that will be x plus y times 1. So I have here x plus y. And then I need to put my operation, which is minus or subtraction. So this one, LCD divided by denominator 2, which is x plus y, that will be 1. And then multiply by 1, so that will be 1. So I have x plus y minus 1 over x plus y. So in this fraction, since I have x for this one, x, so x over, my answer is x plus y minus 1 over x plus y. Since this is also a complex fraction, so I need to write my numerator, and then I need to change this operation to multiplication, and then upside down of my denominator. So this will be x plus y over x plus y minus 1. So this is now my, this one, x, but I need to distribute this one. So this will be x squared, and then plus xy over x plus y minus 1. So this will be my answer for this x over this one. So I need to solve again this one. Y minus this one. So x squared, I need to put round brackets. X squared plus xy, or I will put a square brackets. Okay, this one, square brackets. Then this will be over x plus y minus 1. Okay, so this will be y minus x squared plus xy over x plus y minus 1. So I will put 1. That will serve my divisor or my denominator. So I need to find my LCD. LCD will be 1 times x plus y minus 1 is x plus y minus 1. And then LCD divided by 1, that will be this one. So I have y times this one, my LCD, x plus y minus 1, and then minus this one, my LCD divided by the second denominator, so that will be 1, and then multiply by the numerator. I need to put the round brackets for this operation because this is subtraction. So this will be x squared plus xy. Okay, to simplify, I need to distribute. So this will be xy plus y squared. And then the last will be minus y. And then this one also minus x squared minus xy. over x plus y minus 1. So xy cross out. So for my denominator will be y squared. Then I have minus y and then minus x squared over x plus y minus 1. Okay? So this is for my denominator. Now how about this one, the numerator? So I need to solve. So 1 plus a minus b over a plus b. Since I don't have a denominator, I will put 1. That will serve as my denominator. And then I need to find my LCD. So to find LCD, just multiply the denominators. So this will be a plus b. A plus b divided by 1 is a plus b times 1. So this will be a plus b. And then plus a plus b divided by a plus b, that will be 1. And then times the numerator, a minus b. So I have a plus b, then need to distribute this one. So this will be a, and then minus b. Combine this one because the same sign, positive. So this will be 2a. And how about b? The same but different sign. So this will be crossed out. So I have 2a for my numerator. And then my denominator will be y squared minus y minus x squared, x plus y. So this will be 2a. Then I need to simplify this fraction since there is a division. So I need to change this one to multiplication, then upside down of my denominator, which is x plus y minus 1. Then this will be y squared minus y and then minus x squared. So therefore, this will be 2a round brackets x plus y minus 1 all over by. My final answer for my numerator is 2a times round brackets x plus y minus 1 all over by y squared minus y minus x squared. That's all.